Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is Honda Jazz 2015 plate, and what we've done is we fully retrofitted in an aftermarket Sony stereo. And yes, on some of these new 2015 cars you can actually change on certain models. So we've got the fascia panel for it, and as you can see it's beautifully fit and all installed with this beautiful Sony AX1000 stereo, complete with Apple CarPlay, so you don't need to touch your phone. You got your favorite apps all showing on the main screen, and you just need to touch your stereo now. Obviously with these new driving laws, you need to now cannot touch your phone, so you're gonna make sure you put your phone away and connect it up to your stereo with support for CarPlay or Android Auto. That way you can use your favorite apps and navigation using your inbuilt stereo rather than your phone now. Yeah, so if you want something like this installed on your Honda Jazz, give us a call on 028 554 554. And yes, this does come with a full radio as well, so you can see your radio there. And also you got AUX if you want AUX. You got full Bluetooth if you want to connect your phone for Bluetooth audio. And also it retains your factory steering wheel controls, so you can control the volume and other functions using the built-in steering wheel controls. So yeah, if you want this installed, just give us a shout, and make sure to like and subscribe to our video, guys. We've got lots coming with different cars. You can see if your car is supported, or even just give us a call if you want to find out if you can do something on your car. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.